Washington, D.C. auto shops. What if AI could double your business overnight? Picture this, your local repair shop, but with a marketing engine running 24/7, bringing customers right to your door without lifting a finger. America's Best Shops marketing isn't just talk. They use AI to automate real growth. Imagine AI analyzing thousands of data points to find your perfect customer, then targeting them with ads so precise, it's like the future knocking on your door. But here's the twist. This isn't sci-fi. It's happening right now in DC. Some shops are skyrocketing their sales, while others still hustle the old way. Can you afford to get left behind? Think about it. AI working while you're under the hood or even sleeping. Your brand, local, trusted, powered by smart tech. This isn't just marketing. It's a revolution on 4 wheels. Ready to watch your shop become the go-to in DC? America's Best Shops marketing is driving that change. So what's stopping you from joining the fast lane? Comment below if you want to turbocharge your auto repair business with AI today.